ever had a friendship, relationship, or even a casual connection that grew stronger over a single shared coffee or an inside joke? This isn't just coincidence, it's sociology at work. Today we're exploring the concept of micromance, the small, subtle emotional ties and moments of intimacy that shape our relationships and social life in powerful ways. Micromance is the term used to describe brief, often platonic or ambiguous interactions that still feel emotionally significant. These moments might include a long glance, a shared laugh, a small act of kindness, or a quick but meaningful check-in during the day. They're often overlooked, yet they play a vital role in how social bonds are built, maintained, and understood. To grasp the significance of micromance, we need to look historically at how intimacy has shifted. In pre-modern societies, relationships were often dictated by necessity and duty. Marriage, for instance, was primarily economic and communal. The Enlightenment period saw the rise of individualism, and by the 20th century, the idea of romantic love as a basis for relationships took over. But now, in the digital and late modern age, sociologists argue we're entering a new phase marked by micro-intimacies, brief, fluid, and often non-committal emotional moments that reflect our fragmented, fast-paced lifestyles. Anthony Giddens' theory of the pure relationship helps frame micromance sociologically. He argued that relationships today are increasingly based on emotional communication rather than external pressures. Micromance fits into this. It's not about obligation, permanence, or social roles. Instead, it's about emotional resonance, even in small, fleeting moments. Arlie Hochschild's concept of emotional labor is also key. In micromantic interactions, individuals often engage in subtle emotional work, reading cues, offering comfort, or managing impressions. This kind of labor is increasingly central in service economies and digital communication, where intimacy is commodified in likes, comments, and DMs. We can also bring in Erving Goffman's dramaturgical perspective. From this lens, social life is like a performance, and micromances are the quiet, unscripted improvisations between major scenes. They occur in the in-between spaces, waiting rooms, train rides, comment sections, work chats, all part of what Goffman would call the backstage of social life. In contemporary society, where loneliness is rising, despite constant digital connection, micromance offers a meaningful way to understand how people still seek closeness. It reflects liquid modernity, a concept coined by Zygmunt Bauman, where relationships are fluid, flexible, and often short-lived, but still deeply felt. Micromance is a survival mechanism, a way to feel seen and connected in a world of fleeting encounters. Thank you for watching.